In 3 years' time, who will you be? What do you need to be the best person you can be? When you depart Ormond, you'll have the skills, confidence, and connections to pursue your greatest ambitions, whatever they might be. Throughout your time here, we focus on your head, your heart, the world, and your path, guiding you through academic challenges, personal growth, social experiences, and career preparation. Whatever you set your sights on, you'll be ready to take it on.
First year is all about embracing change, giving things a go, finding your people, and settling into university life. From formal hall events where tradition meets celebration, to the late night hangouts, smokos, and spontaneous gatherings. It's a wonderful time to meet some new people, many of whom will become your friends for life. You're also going to sharpen your mind during first year and learn to tackle tough questions with confidence. Through tutorials and forums, you'll dig into complex ideas, think critically, and try to see the world from new angles. Your academic growth during this time will set the stage for everything else.
By second year, you'll strive to find your focus and cement your friendships so that you can play a greater part in the Ormond community. You'll help organise our sporting events and teams, or maybe run a club, committee, or society. You'll also have the opportunity to connect with leaders and innovators through our guest speaker series, hearing from those who shaped the world beyond Ormond.
In third year, you'll be giving back as leaders of the community here, and we'll support you as you begin to make some real plans for your future. You may have a leadership role in the Students' Club. Immerse yourself in new cultures through the on-country Indigenous experience, or engage with real-world issues through our community service projects. Through Ormond Next, you'll have access to mentorships, training, internships, and industry leaders to guide your career. You'll connect with professionals at careers dinners and networking events who will help you carve out your path. And if you've got an entrepreneurial spirit, the Wade Institute of Entrepreneurship will give you the tools to turn your ideas into reality.
When you graduate, your connection to this community continues. The Alumni Network is a thriving community of people who will be there when you need advice, opportunities, or a way to give back. Our hope is that you leave Ormond knowing your place in the world and ready to make your mark on it.